Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Dart battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, locate the battery, which is usually found under the hood, but can sometimes be in the trunk or under a seat in some models. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use an appropriate wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away so it cannot accidentally reconnect. Next, do the same for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. With the cables safely disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Look for the battery hold-down mechanism, which could be a clamp, strap, or tray. Loosen or remove this to free the battery. Remember, car batteries are heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs and use proper technique to avoid injury. To install your new battery, carefully place it into the battery tray and secure it with the hold-down mechanism. Connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are tight. Double-check all connections before starting your vehicle. For more great tips on managing your finances, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Remember, proper battery maintenance extends its life and ensures reliable vehicle operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.